The error code 17 indicates that there is a pressure buildup, which is often caused by obstructions in the pod holder and entrance needle. To fix this issue, begin by cleaning the pod holder assembly. Start by unplugging the device and lifting the handle to expose the pod holder. Grasp the top of the pod holder with one hand and push the bottom to release it. Then detach the funnel. Use a paper clip to loosen any clogs in the hole at the bottom of the exit needle, which can be found under the pod holder. Once this is done, set the parts aside to dry. Next, clean the entrance needle, which is located under the brewer's head. Remove any obstructions from the two holes beside the entrance needle using a paper clip. After completing these steps, reattach the funnel to the pod holder. Insert the pod holder into its slot, lower the handle, and plug in the device. Finally, run a few water cycles to ensure the issue is resolved.